we work on the 5 exercises which Steiner has given and which are used for strengthening our reconciliation, for strengthening our resistance against viral attacks, against attacks against our life forces. Those 5 exercises are called yes and no, sympathy antipathy, love E, hope U, and AH reverence. And as if you hear, it's always combined a sort of, or these exercises combine a movement and a soul attitude. We start with a thinking attitude, with an emotional attitude, with a heart attitude, with a spiritual attitude, and a surrounding attitude in a way. And here we try to have these experiences not just in our soul, but in a way the body starts to not only feel this quality, but starts to move, to enrich its own movement by these qualities. So we try to work with these aspects in the body, not just in the soul.